So gone were the days where you needed to know how to manually design slides using PowerPoint. These days, you could just get into an AI tool and get your PowerPoint slide or your slide document designed in less than 5 minutes, right? Yeah, so all you need to do is understand prompting, know exactly how to better prompt the AI tool, and get your PowerPoint slide designed. So yeah, I'm going to be walking you through in about a few minutes how you can use a PowerPoint designer, AI designer that I discovered recently to make good looking professional PowerPoint slide. So I hope this will help you make your job easier. I mean, your job of designing PowerPoint. I hope it makes it easier, right? So yeah, let's get right into the screen immediately and let me show how this is done. All right, so here on my screen, I get started with ChatGPT, obviously, and yeah, this was what I prompted the guy to do. He gave me this, then he gave me this. So again, I wouldn't get into AI prompting for this particular class, but then you got to prompt the AI well. Yeah, I may get into teaching you how to prompt AI better, maybe next time if you request specifically for it. So yeah, this is what we have here. I simply will copy this and head over to this particular AI tool, chats.z.ai. And then look at what we have here. I will simply paste this here, tap on slides, right. So I've tapped on slides and then I'll tap on this to send message. Okay, yeah, so this guy is coming up, right? So it will create the slides, beautiful, good looking slides using the prompt I had gotten from ChatGPT, right? Yeah. So yeah, let's wait for this guy to be done. Yeah, it says I will create a modern professional slide deck for your digital marketing job search class. Let's start by finding appropriate visuals for each slide. Then I will create the presentation according to your specification. So this guy is working hard to getting this done. Okay. Yeah, let's see what we have here. I hope it does a fine job. Right. So it's coming up. Yeah, so yeah, this guy will go ahead now and design this. And the good thing about chats.z.ai is that it designs it in the form of a HTML. I mean, it produces this as a HTML raw folder or file, after which it converts it into visuals that you can view and download, and of course also take away. So yeah, this guy is good. All right, so work had started. Yeah, as you can see, no PPT found, but it will go ahead now and use HTML to do it. So yeah, guys, this is crazy. Let's see what the first slide looks like. Wow, how to land your next digital marketing job fast. Practical strategies to stand out. Blah blah blah. Yeah. So look at this. It says sharpen your skill, learn core digital marketing skills like SEO and the rest of them, build small projects, and of course, best platforms to land your job. Yeah, Indeed, Glassdoor, networking communities, and of course, it says leverage AI to enhance your advantage. Use AI tools for CV optimization and job matching. Okay, so we have your digital marketing toolkit. Yeah, essential document that you must have to stand out. Winning CV tailored to your role, customized cover letter, professional job pitch presentation, follow. It says smart follow up email templates and oh yeah. So yeah, it says this review, refine your skills and all of that. So guys, this is what we have. Isn't this slide beautiful? So I'll go ahead now. I'll tap on share and then I'll download this as a PDF, sorry, as a PPTX, right? Yeah, PowerPoint slide. So this is going to be done in about 10 minutes. So when it is done, you can go ahead and download. If you're not cool with what it has given to you, you are very much free to go to Canva and edit this on Canva. Do you understand? You can go ahead and do the editing on Canva. Just go to canva.com and do the needful. So yeah, this is downloaded. I'll download this right away.